Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought it would be fun to paint some jeans today, so that's what we're doing. I went ahead and I just started with a white base. Even though both the paintings I'm doing are blue, it seemed like the thing to do. The paintings were a bit difficult due to the texture and me not painting in a few years, but hopefully I got the hang of it by the end. After about 3 days, I finally finished the Star Night and moved on to the Great Wave. I spent some time in Hollywood trying to find something to get the thought of mixing my acrylics was definitely a challenge, and it made me realize how much I need to take a color theory class. I finally finished my jeans, and although they definitely weren't perfect, I was pretty excited to see what they looked like on person. So that wraps up my very short video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll be back with a new video very soon.